In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Expedia trip to Google Calendar. First, have your Expedia booking confirmation open. This is where all the key information lives, like your travel dates, flight numbers, hotel check-in and check-out times, and the addresses you'll need later. Skim through the email and highlight the essentials you want quick access to in your calendar. You can copy them to your clipboard now, or keep the email open so you can paste details in a moment. Next, head over to Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the calendar loads, look for the Create button, usually at the top left. Click that to start a new event. You'll see a panel for entering the event details. Begin with a clear, simple title so you can recognize this trip at a glance. Something like Trip to New York or Vacation in Barcelona works great. If you have multiple segments, you can still keep one main event. The details will live in the description field. Now set your travel dates and times. Use the start date and time that match when you begin your trip, like your departure time, and the end date and time when you're scheduled to return or check out. If you prefer a single banner across your calendar, toggle it to an all-day event and stretch it from your start date to your end date. For accuracy, make sure the time zone shown matches where you'll be when the trip starts. That helps flights and transfers line up correctly on your calendar. In the description box, paste those Expedia details. Add line breaks to keep things tidy. Include flight numbers, confirmation codes, terminal and gate info if you have it, baggage allowance notes, hotel reservation details, and any special instructions like check-in windows or car rental pickup. The more you add here, the fewer times you'll need to dig through your inbox at the airport or hotel desk. If you'd like, add locations for your key stops. In the location field, type your departure airport, arrival airport, or hotel address. Google Calendar can recognize airports by their codes and hotels by name, which makes it easy to pull up directions later. When everything looks right, click Save. Your trip will appear on your calendar immediately, and if you use the mobile app, it should sync there as well. If you notice anything off, you can always reopen the event to adjust dates, times, or details. That's it. Your Expedia trip is now neatly organized in Google Calendar,